Look at my fancy driving. Tires will be bald by the time you get it back. Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I'm with the TT02 rebuild for a subscriber, Alex. I'll link his video below my video description so you could see when he got this car off eBay. He brought it to like 2 shops. They didn't want to fix it for him, so I told him I would do it. But anyhow, this is part 2. I just had to do a few more things, a servo saver and the drive bones and stuff like that. But we got in foam bumper. We got the hop up nice the servo saver for Tamiya to use on there. And I got these blue out drives for the gearbox, the cups. And don't ever buy these off Amazon for your TT02, the no-name brand ones. I think they come in blue and silver and red. We got these in there, and you'll see the difference right here. They were too big. They didn't fit in, so don't ever get those. I was actually going to give him, I took it out of my car, all my stuff here, but I ended up finding the GPM ones, and they're the right size, as you could see. So they should be good to go. Hopefully everything will work. Hopefully these will work. So I'm going to get started on it. I think I'm going to first put in these and the GPM dog bones, and then we'll go from there. Alright, have the dog bones and the drive cups in the rear. What I did was I cut some of this silicone hose, made little shims so the dog bones don't move around. Now, onto the front. Alright, have all the dog bones in, drive cups. Let's give it a little test really quick. See how she's running. Keep that out of the way. Turn on the radio. Turn on the vehicle. Alright. Let's see if she's working. Oh yeah. She's alive. Now I'm gonna do the servo saver. I'm back. I got the servo saver in it. Went in nice. You can see it's working like a beauty. Next I'm gonna put on the foam bumper in the front and rear, and hopefully it'll be done. I'll show you that next. Then we'll run it. Voila! Alex, she's finished, complete. Ready to run. I'm just gonna take her out for a spin and get her dialed in so she runs straight. I'm also going to do the GPS speed test on it for the hell of it. It's probably not going to be super fast, but it should run cool for you. You don't have to worry about burning a motor out. Anyhow, the steering crank, I used a Tamiya Clodbuster ball end on there. That snap joint, because the stock one was real tight for some reason. It was binding up the whole steering. So everything's on, all electronics, the switches here. There it is on the bottom, brand new, everything. Everything's working. Let's go out on a drag strip and see what she does. Alright Alex, she's ready to go. I got the 7.2 volt NIM pack. We got the 17 tooth pinion gear in there. So I don't know if it's going to be that fast, but it'll run cool. If you want it faster, I could put a 19 tooth pinion gear, but you'll have to get that. Let me know, because I won't ship it out until I hear from you. But anyhow, we're going to do the speed run. It might be good enough. I got the GPS meter right there. Let's turn this sucker on. Alright, she's alive. She's alive. Alright, let's see what she could do. Yeah, she's no speed demon. That's for sure. She's going to the right. I have to trim it out. Let's see what she got. 16.5 miles an hour. So let me know, Alex. I could probably put a 19 tooth in there. It'll probably go like almost 20 miles an hour with that, I'm thinking. But she's working, handling good. Look at my fancy driving. Tires will be bald by the time you get it back. The handle's good. All right, 16.5 on a 7.2 volt impact. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this rebuild video. I'm sorry Alex had to go through that with the guys at the hobby shop. 2 of them not fixing his car, and they actually had Tamiya in the store. I seen it. A shame. Like I said, I'll link his video with when he got the car and went to the shops in my video description below. I hope you like it, Alex. Let me know about the pinion gear. If you want it a little faster, you could order up a 20 tooth or a 19 and send me that, and I'll put it in. It'll go a little faster. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. Thank you. Steve out.